I had a barbecue planned for these chicken kebabs, but it's raining. So I'm gonna show you how I cook kebabs in the oven for that kind of times, or what if you don't have a barbecue? All that in today's video. So here I have some pre-skewered chicken kebabs. I simply cut some chicken breasts, put some veggies in between. I have an entire blog post, which I'll link below this video, giving you all of the tips on how to make sure that your veggies cook evenly with the chicken. So I don't wanna make this video too long for you, but if that's something that you struggle with, go ahead and check the link below in the description box. Essentially, I have chicken breasts that I've skewered through. If you only have a few, you could just take a baking dish. If you have enough to cover the base of your baking dish, then you could put this directly in the oven. But what you don't want to do is stack them, because that way they're not gonna cook evenly. So what I have here is a sheet pan. You could also baste this with seasoning. I have a recipe for fajita chicken marinade, which I often use for these kebabs, but today I'm simply gonna put them on my sheet pan and spray a little bit of olive oil right over them. I wanna put them right here vertically, like this. I'm gonna line them up so they all cook in my oven. My oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to cook chicken at that temperature, but that's also a great temperature to cook chicken and vegetables at the same time so that they don't overcook and they come out perfect at the same time. All right, so now that I have all of my skewers lined up in my sheet pan, I'm going to take my olive oil sprayer and just go right over the top. I've lined the sheet pan with parchment paper, so they're not gonna stick to it, but I do like the flavor, and it also makes the chicken kind of crispy on the outside, so that's really great. If you didn't marinate the chicken first, or you're not using a sauce to baste these skewers with, you could just sprinkle your favorite seasoning, but definitely you wanna add some salt right over the top, and let's put them in the oven. So these chicken skewers cooked in my 375 degree oven for about 25 minutes. How long they cook, it's going to vary by the size of your chicken. Now, if you have really big chicken pieces, it's gonna take a little bit longer, give and take an extra 10 minutes maybe, to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, you can always use a kitchen thermometer. That is the best way to make sure that your chicken is fully cooked. I'll make sure to link the great marinade for this, other chicken and skewer recipes, everything I promised you in this video earlier, right below in the description box. And while you're down there, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.